What's going on, my virtual home? How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are having like the most wonderful day. Guys, so I want to talk about the tax season. Some of you guys may know, others may not, but we are certified to do taxes, and we actually have a national team of agents that we're putting together just to get ready to serve you guys. So let's talk a little bit about what we're doing in the upcoming, really right now. The tax season is just now kicking off. So, guys, with the tax season, I am going to put some information in the description that shows you or exactly how to request a tax quote from us because we are we're starting to do tax quotes, guys, and we are doing these manually, so we need you guys to request that tax quote. If you are in the United States, it doesn't matter what state you're in because we are able to service all customers as long as they're in the United States. It doesn't matter what state you're in, okay? So with that being said, guys, we're giving you guys the maximum return this tax season. Now with the tax business, we are working with you guys one-on-one, okay? So we're not going to be answering a lot of tax questions in the comments and stuff like that because really taxes is like really specific to the individual. So with that being said, guys, if you have any questions, you can relay those to our Facebook group. We're going to put our Facebook page. We're going to put the Facebook page below. It is facebook.com/Verge Stop Taxes. Okay. So Verge Stop Taxes is accepting tax quotes, guys. And we're going to put the website where you can request a tax quote in the description, which is onestoptaxes.com/Verge. Okay, you want to request a tax quote. Okay, that's how you initiate the communication between you and us. Okay, so when you request your tax quote, you'll be able to upload documents, you'll be able to, kind of leave comments and things like that, and that's how you're going to get your tax information to myself so that I can review it and start working up your tax quote. Once I get your information, I'll get your number and your email from the tax form, and that's how I will officially start reaching out to you and just kind of getting everything together, making sure that we are covering all bases and making sure that we are maximizing your tax return. Our goal is to maximize your tax return, okay? And we are going to do that by having an understanding about your particular tax profile and the advantages that can be applied to that tax profile. So with that being said, guys, we are taking clients, so we are doing tax quotes. Doing a tax quote is not necessarily a like binding agreement that you're going to necessarily file or that we're going to file your return. It's just kind of a way to get the conversation started. So as you guys are out there getting your tax quotes, don't overlook Verge Stop Taxes. Give us a chance to go ahead and do a tax quote for you and make sure that you are satisfied with your upcoming tax return. Now, with our particular system, we have a multiple checks and balances when we submit a return. So this is going to make sure that the return is accurate before it reaches the IRS. So guys, me and you, we're going to work together on the tax file. I'm going to use my tax eye and make sure that everything is in proper order. We have all the proper documents and things like that. Now, once I submit the tax file, then One Stop Taxes, who I network with, is going to also take that final look and see if everything is in order. And then once everything is in order, then your file is submitted. So there is multiple checks on your file. This is going to make sure that we are not making any mistakes, that we are not overlooking anything, and that everything looks good before it goes to the IRS. And this is going to help us not get this tax file rejected. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to have the tax file ready to go and ready to be accepted by the IRS. So guys, you can rest assured that we are as a company, we are doing multiple checks to make sure that everything is in good working tax order for your return. Now, some of you guys are going to be interested in cash advances, okay? And you have to understand that once you submit for a cash advance, you can't take that tax file back. So once you submit that tax file, then it's stuck, okay? Whether you get approved or denied for that advance, the tax return is submitted. So guys, when you are going after a cash advance, which we will be able to do come here in January, towards the end of January, then guys, you don't want to have multiple tax agencies doing cash advances for you, okay? You want to go ahead and choose us to go ahead and submit that cash advance for you. And just understand that once we submit that file is sent off to the IRS. It's no bringing that back, okay? So if you don't get the advance, then you'll get your full return when that tax return is deposited, however you decide to have your tax return deposited. Speaking of, you guys are going to be able to do e-filing with us. We can do paper filing. You know, you'll be able to get your return by a paper check if you want, or if you want to direct deposit it into your account. Guys, we have a lot of options. One of the options that I am going to probably make another video about is the ability to form your LLC using your tax return. So guys, with that being said, we have a lot of good strategies and options for you guys in this upcoming tax season. Give us a chance to earn your business. Give us a chance to win and grow with you this tax season, and you'll be happy that you did. With that being said, guys, Verge Stop Taxes is now doing tax quotes, guys. A lot of you guys are going to be getting those W-2s by the end of this month here in December. Some of you guys are going to be getting your W-2s in January, maybe the second or third week in January, guys. We can go ahead and get an early start and an early look at your tax file. And we can, you know, as you bring in more documents, you know, as we ask more questions and things like that, the tax file is going to come together more and more and more and more. So we're happy to be your tax professionals this tax season. Keep in mind, we can do all states. You guys will be able to totally file from home. You don't have to go anywhere. You can do your taxes on your couch, okay? We definitely want to give you guys that premium service, okay? So in that case, then hey guys, decide to file with us. We definitely want to grow with you. We can actually take on all tax situations, okay? So no matter the complexity of your tax form, like I said, we have a support system, okay? So if there's questions that you have and I don't have the specific answers, we're going to get those answers for you, okay? We're going to work together and we're going to make sure that everything is filed in complete and good working order, okay? So no matter the complexity of your return, consider filing with us, and let's go ahead and max you out for this upcoming tax season. Now, again, we're going to have the instructions on how to request a quote in the description. We're going to have our Facebook page, facebook.com/VergeStopTaxes in the description. And guys, we're going to talk about a little bit, summing up this video about everything that we've kind of talked about thus far. And yeah, so yeah, we're happy to help you out. Guys, if you like this video, like the video. This is letting us know that this type of content is something that you guys want to see more of. So if you want to see more tax content, if you want to kind of follow us throughout the tax season, kind of seeing how things are going. Like the video, guys. It definitely encourages the algorithm, and it does encourage us to put out more of this type of content. Now, guys, if you want to be a part of our family, then we would love for you to subscribe to the channel. It's definitely available to you to subscribe, guys. Also, if you want to be the very first to get notified as soon as we drop content, again, we talk about a variety of things on this channel. We are grouping our topics by playlist, so you guys can kind of look at exactly what you came here for, or whatever. So with that being said, guys, if you want to be the very first to get notified as soon as we drop content, there should be a bell notification button above, okay? Hit that bell. It looks like a bell that you ring. And as soon as we drop a new video, you'll be one of the very first to get a notification. With that being said, guys, we are so excited to grow with you in this tax season. We have a goal of filing over 250 new clients this tax season. And I'm going to see you guys on the next episode.